Can AI help run a pop-up drink stand? Yes. Artificial intelligence can absolutely help you run a pop-up drink stand, from figuring out pricing and inventory to predicting how busy you will be on a given day. Think of artificial intelligence like a really smart helper that never gets tired of crunching numbers for you. Instead of guessing how many lemons or cups of ice you need, you can feed it your past sales and the weather forecast, and it will tell you how much to prepare so you do not run out or waste money on extra stock. A lot of people do not realize that artificial intelligence tools can also write your menu descriptions, suggest catchy drink names, and even help you design a simple logo or sign for your stand. One trick almost nobody talks about is using it to analyze foot traffic patterns near parks, events, or busy sidewalks, so you know exactly where and when to set up for the best crowd. It can also help you track your expenses and profits automatically, so at the end of the day, you know exactly how much you earned without doing math by hand. Basically, it takes the guesswork out of running a small business and lets you focus on making great drinks and talking to customers. One common mistake people make is relying completely on artificial intelligence predictions without double-checking local events or sudden weather changes, so always glance at the actual forecast yourself before finalizing your prep list. Another thing to watch out for is trusting generated pricing suggestions without considering your own costs, so make sure you always calculate your ingredient expenses first before setting your prices. A lot of people also forget to update their sales data regularly, and since these tools learn from the information you give them, feeding it fresh numbers every week will make its suggestions much more accurate over time. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.